In this video, we're going to show you how to export closed captioning for Avid Media Composer in MediaCentral. I have a project already open in Closed Caption Creator. On the right, I have my captions ready to be exported. Go to File, then Export, and choose Subtitle File. Select RAW from the list of file extensions. You will be given a number of options when exporting closed captioning for Avid. We will start by exporting an AAF with a linked MXF file containing both 608 and 708 closed caption data. Select AAF, embed linked MXF. In the 708 options, assign the event group you want to export to the program channel you wish to use. By default, we recommend channel 1. However, if you have more than one language track, you can assign them here. In the 608 options, assign your event group to one of the caption channels. I will use CC1. Note there are also options to embed XDS data, such as VChip, and program information for broadcast. Click the Export button when ready. The exporter will generate a zip file containing both an AAF and MXF file. You will need both files in order to import your captions into Media Composer. Next, let's export a self-contained captions-only AAF file. To do this, we'll open the subtitle exporter again and choose AAF Embed Self-Contained from the radio options near the top. Remember to select RAW from the list of file extensions. Assign your event groups to caption channels and click Export. This time, the subtitle exporter will generate a single AAF file for you to import into Media Composer or check into MediaCentral. If you have any questions, please don't hesitate to contact our support team. You can sign up for Closed Caption Creator by visiting www.closedcaptioncreator.com.